Amy and Mr. James. What up, boy? What's going on, bruh? Yay! It's like a mobility chair for people who can't walk with freaking tracks on it, bro. That thing is sick. It's got like a car battery under there. I think it's electric, yeah. What the crap? It's got like joysticks and stuff. And freaking tank tracks, bro. That's so sick. I know that thing costs a pretty penny. Holy crap. Little get together. It's actually the UGA bike club, but shoot, no, I don't go to UGA, bro, but Mr. JM invited me out, so you already know. Had to pull up with the squad. Oh yeah, wheelie. Do another one, do another one. Let's see it. Oh! Yeah, we got all them back there. Gonna be on the highway the whole way, bro. Frick. Got a little wheelie action going on. Going to another little event tonight. Got the boy on the Gixxer and the girl on the pink CBR. The girl biker, blah, 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 the girl biker, the girl biker special. Chat, we're a little bit late to the meet, but you know, that's okay. Have to wait for the girl. Surprise, surprise. Alright, I'm kidding. Chill out. I'll go in the middle so it's not awkward for y'all. Oh! I need to get one of those. Your fork seals are terrible. Huh? Your fork seals are terrible. The fork seals. Oh, no. I'm gonna get them fixed. You need to. I'm probably gonna get you to do it. I'll do it. Bro wanted me to do a wheelie. Quit looking at me like that. Woo! Turn that fan on. I got hot sitting at the light. Bro, I love having this little switch. It's so much easier. Oh! Oh, it's Rika! And unknown R1 or some crap, bruh. Oh, yeah. Yeesh! We finna park down here. Start a new row. Come on, figure it out! Bro.
What are you doing? It's on! Can you do this?
No. I guess we heading out. Going to the lot for a little bit. Hey. Well, yeah, we're like the perfect quadruple right now. 2 sport bikes and 2 FZs/MTs. Pow pow pow. Oh! So sexy, bro. Yay, we're at my lot. The favorite place to be. Wait, I swapped that. We're at the lot, my favorite place to be. Yay! Got the gang heading out again to freaking ruin culture. Guess they're gonna make me lead again. Be careful in this rain, bruh. Woo! This crap is slippery! Bro, can it stop freaking raining? What's going on, bruh? Yeah, I see some cool cars. And a bike. Oh, it's a bike. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's a Aprilia. Nice. And a bit. Yeah, Alright, I see some bikes out there. Give the cop a little wave. Alright, GPS, shut the frick up. Turn left, then turn left, then turn left, then turn left, then turn left. Hey, Apollo. My boy. Better get on my spot, boy. What up, boy? Bro, you good? You walking, bro?
Back's a little hurt, but I'm alive.
The boy Apollo crashed the other day.
Yes.
Okay.
I also don't have directions in.
I don't either. I actually know how to get there because I'm not directionally challenged.
Okay, okay. Don't have to target me.
I mean, it's true. I got a new tire so I can actually corner now.
Wow.
A little bit.
A little bit. You have to wait for that lag.
What?
You have to wait for the lag.
What wax, bro? There ain't no wax.
The lag's on the tire?
I was cornering at like 80 today. There's no wax. It was alright. Why are you walking your kids at 10 o'clock at night, bruh? What the heck is going on?
Not even just walking kids, you're walking your toddler, your babies.
2 of them.
I want to fly into a cloud.
Bruh. Like, spiritually or physically?
Both?
Alright.
Like, you wouldn't want to, like, skydive?
I mean, shoot. I guess. It's kind of scary.
I mean, it's supposed to be scary.
Yeah, but that'll be fun though. I'd be down low key. Bruh, we got freaking Amy and I'm talking to the vlog. Oh. Amy and Mr. James Machin now here, bruh. Can I not listen to music while it's recording?
I don't know.
Frick. Alright, bro, you want to get arrested? Oh! Holy two-step! Bro, what GTA lobby is this? Oh my god! Bro, we're such menaces. Oh my god. Oh, that's too funny. First time I've actually gotten gas at this BP. Not just for a meet. Can I get 10 on... Oh, is that Zach? Yo, that's where we bought our freaking bikes from. Right here. Look at me. Who the frick is here? JM? Oh, what the frick? And Apollo, bro? What the frick's going on? Bro, this shit's actually a GTA lobby. Holy crap. What's up, bro? What's up? Yeah. You too, man. Alright, what are you doing, Broklahoma? Stay in your lane. Hey, you can't park back here. Dang, bruh. So many people here. I want to rip a fat wheelie, but I don't want to go to jail. Ooh, Ferrari. And a SV. Pull up a little bit more, JM. Or let these people pass, I guess. Yo, pull up a little bit more, boy. JM, pull up a little bit more, bro. There you go.